Ever wonder how parents can actually guide their child's spending habits using special bank and credit card tools? Let's find out. Welcome to the channel. Every day I explore personal finance questions that real people are asking on Stack Exchange and highlight the top answers from the community as well as any key takeaways. If you're new here, consider subscribing for daily videos just like this one. All right, let's take a look at today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. Can parents control spending limits on bank or credit cards? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So in summary, someone's trying to keep their spending in check by having a parent or caregiver approve online purchases. They want that person to set spending limits and give the green light for transactions. They're curious about how banks or credit card companies support this kind of parental control setup. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that banks make money from card transaction fees and interest on unpaid balances. Blocking merchants and setting spending limits might cut their earnings, and adding parental controls would mean more work for banks to set up new systems. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. One response points out that using a prepaid card can help manage spending by loading a set amount regularly. It also suggests that gift cards can restrict purchases to specific stores and sometimes offer discounts at particular retailers. Here's one last answer from original post on Stack Exchange. I'll quickly scroll through the answer so you can read it. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. And just like before, I'll be highlighting the main points of this answer for you in just a few seconds. One response points out that most banks don't let you set spending limits for specific merchants, although it's possible in theory. However, credit cards allow adding dependents as authorized users with spending limits and alerts. For now, store-specific control is only doable through gift cards, not banks. All right, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. A prepaid card might be a great way to manage spending since it lets someone load a specific amount of money, keeping expenses in check while still being flexible. Also, it helps to set up alerts and spending limits through a credit card's app, allowing for better purchase management. Additionally, some bank accounts offer joint management features, letting a guardian oversee and approve transactions for added oversight. So in this video, we've covered how prepaid cards can help manage spending by setting a fixed budget. Credit card apps offer alerts and limits for better control, while joint accounts let guardians oversee transactions. However, setting merchant-specific spending controls can be tricky due to how businesses are categorized. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.